Over the weekend, we held our very first PBT Institute in-person retreat in sunny San Diego. People flew in from Nigeria, from Aruba, and within the US. What's so incredible, and I really want you to know, that these were people so blindsided by their betrayal they could not get out of bed. It was, life as they've known it was over. They didn't know how they were going to function, go to work, raise their kids, everything else. And here I got to see firsthand what it looks like to not only heal, and either heal and move on, heal and rebuild with the person who hurt them, but completely transform. We saw transformations before our eyes, and it was so incredible to see that the experience does not have to define you. You want to use it as a catalyst for your transformation, and that's exactly what we saw. So we're going to be doing many more of those. How did they do it? They were working within the PBT Institute with me, with our incredible coaches who all specialize in different aspects of healing from betrayal. They moved through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. Many of them were they started in stage 2, stage 3, and came to the retreat in stage 3-ish, stage 4, and many of them left clear in stage 5, which was just magnificent. But the other part of this is I told them that because we're doing a follow-up retreat, and I said, for any of you who invest in that, I'm going to gift a scholarship to someone who otherwise wouldn't be able to afford the community. So the good news is I have some scholarships to offer. So if you are ready to move from betrayal to breakthrough, if you are ready to move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, please let me know. Comment, do whatever it is on social where you send me a message, I don't even know, letting me know why you want that scholarship, because you have to experience what goes on within the PBT Institute to really see, oh wow, this is a place to not only heal and transform. And we're very specific about who we serve. It's not just for people who've been betrayed. It's for people who are ready to heal and transform after their betrayal. So if that's you, let me know, and let's see if you can be one of the recipients of our scholarship. So healing is predictable. Follow for more, and I'll talk to you soon.